Hola, hola mi gente. Welcome to another Unstuff with me. And this is going to be for the month of October. This is before we get our first November paycheck. So let's unstuff our cash envelope for the end of the month for October. I have my handy dandy baggie. I don't know what to call it. A plastic bag. And this is where I keep all the dollars that I have been accumulating since September and October. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, so for gas, I have nothing left over. We spent all $90, but our tanks are full now. For groceries, my employer passed out gift cards worth $500 and been using that for groceries and sometimes fuel. That card now has $80 left for fuel, so that's gonna roll over for my husband because that's not really enough for groceries. We went shopping Saturday and we kind of refilled for that, and whatever was left over, we just decided that he was going to keep it for himself. So for groceries, we have left over 100, 105, 110, 115. Even though we have been mainly using the gift card for groceries, we still had to do an oil change for both of his car and my car, and that was a blessing, let me tell you, because that was $100 itself. So that's why 100 is missing. For toiletries, it's empty as well. Pets is empty. We only bought food worth of $11 for my cat. And I did use a picture because we do buy a lot of bottled water, which is insane how much we buy throughout the month. So I decided to buy a pitcher. I think it was $40. And I think it should pay by itself within the month or so. So I use pets and toiletries for that. For my family fund, I still have $20 left over. I offered to go get some froyo and nobody wanted to go anywhere, so we still have $20 for that. And for my old shit, I took off $20. I don't even remember for what, but I'm sorry, I have left over $20 from the original $50. Oh, I remember now. It was my nephew's birthday, so we just used those $50 for that to celebrate him and take him somewhere, some activities with his uncle, and he really enjoyed his day. He was at work that night, so I couldn't celebrate with him. So what I am going to roll over is, let me count it all together. This is so exciting, y'all. Okay, so I have 100, 120, 140, 145, 150, and 155. So this is what we have left over, and this is gonna get stuffed into my old shit fund. I don't have any ones for my $1 challenge, unfortunately, but it's okay because I still think that's a lot of money. What I've been collecting over the months and weeks. Thank you, as always, thank you for watching my videos. Go ahead and press like, subscribe, and share. And also leave a comment. Do you use cash envelopes or do you still use a card system, cashless system based? I think to me, cash envelope system has helped me in the past. Once before, 2018, 2019, I was getting out of debt and we paid all of our debt. And so I could go to college comfortably because I was going to be in the back of my head, I didn't want to accumulate as much debt. But we stopped doing the cash envelopes because of course it was too much for me to go to school, go to work, and still take care of my family. So we stopped doing that, and we're going to implement this again. It's going to take us about 3 to 5 years, but we're going to get ourselves out of it nonetheless. And I cannot wait to hear your stories of why you use cash envelopes. As always, thank you for watching, and I Hasta la próxima.